Hello guys, in this video I'm going to introduce you to this new tool called as AgentGold. This is quite an interesting tool because this tool lets you auto create new content based on your own voice. So for example, if you are making any YouTube shorts or if you are making some promotional audios, videos or even text content, then you can use your own voice and then let this tool do your own social media management for a lot of social media platforms like Facebook, TikTok, or the list goes on and on and on. And this tool just doesn't stop there. It primarily is your whole social media companion. Agent Gold was built for creators like everyday creators who are expert in their own field and want to engage their audience with relevant and high quality content. So with the help of this tool, you can get suggestions for new content based on your historical content, current trends and viral content from similar creators. Well, one thought could be that if everyone is doing it, then everyone would be viral or no one would be viral. Anyway, that is another discussion for another time. You can also use AI as a sounding board for your ideas with the help of this tool. And the AI extracts from this tool in your own voice from your own content. You can also analyze best performing posts and suggest ideas and get the suggestions or ideas from this tool about your next viral post. Of course, with the help of it, you can post consistently to multiple social media network. It will automate everything. So in that regard, I think a really good tool, and I am seeing lot and lot of other tools popping up, but this seems to cover a lot of things in one go because you can have fresh content all the time, whatever your industry is, and then that content will be relevant and contextual. You can even provide historical content to this tool and it is going to generate it on the basis of AI. So it is sort of your marketing partner where you are sharpening your ideas with AI and you're telling this where to focus and it will do rest for you. You can do smart scheduling, so you can just schedule for every next 10 days and you can go on holidays and it will create the content for you. And of course it is quite secure. All of your data is siloed in your own account and everything is encrypted. They don't use it for training data, which is quite good. Also, you can easily generate images or videos from your text content to post on all social media accounts. So primarily this is your AI social media manager and marketer, uh, which is Agent Gold. Now another cool thing with this you can do is chat with a YouTuber. I'm unfortunately unable to show you how exactly this works because when I have been checking it for some time and I have already joined the wait list, but it is still in the wait list. It is quite popular. As you can see, it has been featured in CNN, TechCrunch, and a lot of big names. Anyway, another cool thing with this which you can do is chat with a YouTuber. So you click on chat with a YouTuber on the top, then it is going to give you all of these YouTubers. So yours truly is also a humble YouTuber. So let me see if it is able to find me. Okay, so I'm going to click on the search button on the left. Let me paste my YouTube channel URL, then add YouTuber, and it is saying that send login link to email. Let me do that quickly. So I have logged in with my email address. Let's see what it does. So it is loading the YouTuber and taking a bit of a time, and there is a limit of 5 per day as you can see on this screen. Okay, let's wait for it to load. So you can see it has put my um, YouTube channel's face here. Let's wait for it to load fully. There you go, it has loaded. So let me click on it. There you go. So you see, so it has, I just recently did Gemini Advanced Ultra video and so it has just put me there. What are the areas you focus on in your channel? That's interesting actually. Wow, so it has just pulled in my um, all the intro from there. There you go. So that's good. And then where are you from? My location is public knowledge. Yep, Sydney. That's cool. What are your recent videos? Okay, so Chat GPT-4. Nope, it is Chat GPT-4. So it has mistakenly got that. It can't read the text that well. And then that is good. Coding, yeah, that is good. That I have also videos on language model, coding tutorials, even a tutorial on how to role play with LLM locally on Windows. Yes, that's correct. Okay, what is your okay, educational background? Because that is not on my channel. That is on my LinkedIn. So let's see if it is able to get it. Oh, I think it is good, but I think this is it. Just made it up from my YouTube intro. Let me see if it is able to. Okay, what are your future plans? Okay, so it is just making it up now. So I haven't discussed my future plan with my YouTube channel yet. How many? Okay, so let me ask it a personal question, which will. How many kids do you have? Let's see. What? Okay. Well, I'm not going to disclose it, but it is wrong. So look, this is what we call as eyewash. So you can chat with me through this Agent Gold, but don't trust everything it says because mm, But if you have any questions around my YouTube channel, you can ask it. But other than that, I think um, if you're asking about any personal stuff or anything which is not mentioned on my channel, then it won't answer. But still pretty good, I would say. Interesting should be the right word. Anyway, I hope that you enjoyed it. I will drop the link to their website in video's description. And if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. And if you have already subscribed, then please share it among your network, on your social media accounts, and because it helps a lot. Thanks for watching.